Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can get seaweed in Stardew Valley. So basically, what you need to do is to just progress through your game, and at the second day of your save file, you will receive a letter from the fisherman that says he is on a vacation, you need to come back tomorrow. You just want to go through your day, sleep through your bed, and from there you then want to head over to this location right here, which is going to be the beach front or the Pelican Beach. From here you just want to go through this platform, and then in here you will be able to talk to the fisherman. The fisherman will then give you your first fishing rod, and basically to get your seaweed you can just fish it from the beach. And basically after fishing for a couple of tries, you will be able to fish out a seaweed. Now, of course, there's multiple drop rates for the beach right here. There's fishes, sometimes there's garbage, and then there's seaweed. So you just have to keep fishing until you get what you need, which is seaweed on Stardew Valley. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.